Hi, I am Anjum Kazi from Almed Equipments Private Limited. We provide perfect solution for surgical site infection control. Today, we will be discussing about competitive analysis of ducted and ductless AHU system. Here, we will understand the key features of ductless system and difference between our competitive system. Let me give you the summary of this presentation. First, we will be discussing about the product timeline, which will make you understand the journey of this innovation. Next, we would discuss about the pain points in the current system. Third, we would focus about the solution that would help to make a phenomenal change in the history of AHU. This will make us understand how this product can bring about a revolution in infection control. Fourth, we would do a comparative analysis and a detailed study of how this product is offering the best. And lastly, we would do a comparative cost analysis of our product. Our product development or series of innovation and persistent development of our product journey started from Ductless Air Handling Unit, where firstly we understood the need of dedicated system for operation theatre to minimize the nosocomial infection in operation theatre and critical care area. We then invented ductless laminar airflow system to increase the quality of indoor air further and ended up achieving class 1 air quality near HEPA. This innovation supported our ductless air handling unit. Our current development is ceiling mounted AHU cum laminar airflow system, which we developed to make our system more efficient, compact and easy to maintain. This system proved to be a successful combination of both our previous products. The main pain points of ducted AHU is presented in this slide. Here we have done market analysis on airborne infection through present system. The present system that are used are windows and split AC, which according to NABH expert diagnosis for infection control, air condition is one of the major sources of infection in operation theatre because they have pure recirculating units and has convenient pockets for microbial growth which cannot be sealed. Secondly, the second system which is used in the market is central AC or ducted AHU system. Here, this system has two problems. Firstly, even during the non-functional hours, AHU blowers has to be kept operational round the clock. And the second main problem of this AHU is the AHU of this OT is not a dedicated one and is linked to air conditioning of other areas. To resolve this issue raised by NABH, we have provided solution by providing ductless system. As this system doesn't have any duct, it reduces the chances of surgical site infection and nosocomial infection. The second solution to the problem is that we provided dedicated system. This system is not linked with any other areas. No return duct is required, no supply duct is required, and it has single source, which means no chances of air turbulence. The third solution is the third and the main feature of our system is it provides class 1 air quality near HEPA. This system provides best indoor air quality with class 1 near HEPA, class 2 at 1.5 feet away from HEPA, class 3 on table and class 4 anywhere inside the enclosure. Now we will discuss about the key features of this ductless AHU system. Let us first discuss about the body of ceiling mounted AHU cum laminar airflow system. First, let us discuss about the quality of panel that we provide. We have used aluminium composite panel with thermal profile, which is great for profiling as it has multiple benefits such as it does not rust, increasing the life of ductless AHU system significantly. The second thing is it does not provides any kind of condensation. The thermal brake system that we use helps to maintain the difference between indoor and outdoor temperature, which prevents condensation on outer body of the system. This also helps in maintaining the required temperature in OT even if the ambient temperature is 50 degrees Celsius. The third thing is the sound of the system. The acoustic material used in the system reduces the sound of the system to considerable amount. Thus, the noise of the system does not hamper doctors' work. The fourth advantage of this system is it is a very compact system. This system does not require excessive space for installing air handling unit room, as it has compact design which is dedicated for each enclosure or area. Let us now discuss about the features of electrical consumption of this system. Unlike ducted system, this system does not require to be kept on round the clock. It has to be turned on just 1 hour prior operation. The second feature of this system is it works on 1500 CFM, which helps in electricity consumption, unlike 4500 CFM in ducted system. This system requires 8 tonnage as compared to 11 tons in ducted system. And the fourth and the main advantage of this of the features of electrical consumption of the system includes the condensing coil used in the system has larger surface area, which creates lesser load on compressor, ensuring smooth functioning, and this lowers the power consumption. Let us now talk about the added features of this invention. The AGSS system alternative. We provide AGSS system alternative by providing activated carbon filter. This filter helps to remove anesthetic gas mixture from operating theatre and any other areas fitted with nitrous oxide terminal units. And the second added feature of this system is negative ionizer. We have provided a negative ionizer which releases 2 lakh negative ion. This negative ion helps to deactivate bacteria and viruses in the air. The third feature of this system is the UV light. The UV light used in our system near cooling coil does not allow any fungus to grow in positive pressure cooling system to ensure sterile air. The fourth feature that we have added is a pump. This pump is provided to remove excess water near cooling coil, which would ensure that water does not accumulate due to condensation. We all know that operation theatre has to maintain positive pressure inside the room to provide higher degree of protection. Hence, we have provided pressure damper in the unit to get desired level of fresh air and to maintain positive pressure inside the operation theatre. To maintain this positive pressure continuously, we have used a fan which ensures to provide fresh air even when the system is turned off. This fan operates on very low energy. As per the NABH guidelines, this system helps to maintain minimum 20 to 30 air changes per hour. To provide maximum protection and class 1 air quality, we have used multiple filters such as Ultra HEPA filter with 0.3 micron filtrate, which helps to filter not only particulate matter but also airborne microorganisms in indoor environment above 0.3 micron. Second filter used is Micro V or activated carbon filter, which is a replacement for AGSS system. The third filter that we use are 2 pre-filters of 5 micron near air inlet and 10 micron near fresh air damper. The pre-filters used in the system are washable filters, which makes our system easy to maintain. We have used blue or golden fins in condensing coil. The blue or golden fins are used in the system to accelerate the defrosting process. This technology is 100% eco-friendly. The condensing coil has thin yet super powerful coating. The golden fin condenser coil works exceptionally well even in humid climatic conditions. It can work in enhancing the lifespan of the condenser. The golden fins contribute towards lowering the air conditioner energy consumption and running cost. This is the new approach to infection control. We have showed the front view and side view of ceiling mounted AHU cum laminar airflow system. With all these amazing features, we offer to convert your OT from ducted to ductless in a single day. With ceiling mounted ductless AHU system and laminar flow system in a single unit, we accomplished to provide a compact system which is cost effective and easy to install. This accelerates the process of installation and makes it possible to install in a single day. Let us now do a comparative analysis of ducted and ductless system. Ducted AHU requires more tonnage as compared to ductless AHU for same size of room. For example, for standard size OT, 11-ton compressor is required in outdoor unit in ducted AHU as compared to just 8 tons in ductless AHU system. The blower used in ducted AHU consumes 3 to 5 kilowatt of energy or more depending on the length of the duct. Whereas in ductless AHU, 0.180 kilowatt of blower is provided to give air velocity of 90 to 180 flow per meter at grill diffuser level. In ducted AHU system, routine cleaning of the duct is not possible, whereas in ductless AHU, to provide maximum indoor air quality, easy routine cleaning of pre-filters is possible because of nylon filters which are washable. In ductless AHU system, UV light is installed near cooling coil to avoid fungal or bacterial growth on condensing coil. This system is unavailable in ducted AHU system. Ducted system does not provide HEPA filter status through digital differential pressure gauge. They provide digital differential pressure gauge only to check positive pressure in operation theatre, whereas in ductless air handling unit, digital differential pressure gauge is used for checking HEPA filter status and positive pressure in room. In ducted air handling unit, even during the non-functioning hour, AHU blower has to be kept operational round the clock and particle count on table is of class 10,000 to class 1 lakh anywhere inside the OT. Whereas in ductless air handling unit, it has to be switched on 1 hour prior to use to get desired particle count of class 100 on table to maintain temperature and humidity, and class 10,000 anywhere in the OT. Let's do some maths regarding comparison of maintenance and usage between ducted air handling unit and ductless air handling unit. As we have claimed that ductless air handling unit requires less electrical consumption, according to the fact that generally power consumption for 1 ton requires 0.8 kilowatts per hour. Ducted system requires more tonnage than that of ductless system. So, for a standard size OT, 11 tons of outdoor unit is required. Therefore, 11 multiplied by 0.8 kilowatts gives us 8.8 kilowatts per hour. So, if we consider minimum usage of 6 hours, then for 6 hours, power consumption will be equal to 52.8 kilowatts, and that per day will go up to 633.60 rupees. Per month it will go up to 19,285.20 rupees, and per year it will go up to 2,31,422 rupees. For the rest 18 hours we will have to maintain ambient temperature even if variable fan device is reduced up to 50%. Power consumption for remaining hours will be minimum 2 kilowatts multiplied by 18 hours, that will give up to 36 kilowatts. So for a day, cost of power consumption will be 432 rupees, per month will be 13,149 rupees, and per year will be 1,57,788 rupees. Total power consumption for 24 hours per day is rupees 1065.60. Per month it will go up to 32,434.20 rupees, and rate of power consumption per year will go up to 3,89,210 rupees. Electrical consumption in ductless air handling is as follows. Year 2 power consumption for 1 ton is 0.8 kilowatts per hour. Standard OT in ductless system requires only 8 tonnage. Power consumption of 8 tons will be 8 multiplied by 0.8 kilowatts, that will be equal to 5.6 kilowatts per hour. Our system has to be turned on 1 hour prior to maintain 20 air cycles minimum and fresh air changes before usage. So if we consider 6 hours of usage plus 1 hour extra, power consumption in 7 hours per day will be equal to 470.40 rupees. Per month it will go up to 14,317.80 rupees. Power consumption rate per year will be equal to 1,71,814 rupees. So you can save electricity for rest 17 hours, as there is no need to keep AHU on in non-working hours. Let's discuss annual maintenance cost comparison. In ducted system, because of maintenance in leakages and insulation of duct, cost goes up to 7%, which is approximately 75,000 to 1 lakh rupees. And that in ductless system, it is reduced up to 3%, which is nearly 25,000. This saves a lot of extra charges. Other charges like robotic duct cleaning, which has to be done every 6 months before changing HEPA, requires 50,000 rupees, that is 1 lakh rupees annually. This is not required in ductless air handling unit system. Cost of HEPA in ducted system requires rupees 2,000 per square feet, which goes up to 96,000 every 6 months. That goes up to 1,92,000 per year. HEPA in ductless air handling unit system has to be replaced every 2 years, hence the cost is reduced, that is 48,000 rupees per year. If we discuss body life of ducted air handling unit system, GI paneling is used. GI paneling of AHU gets rusted and decay from inside within 3 to 4 years, and AHU body life is not more than 5 years. Whereas in ductless air handling unit system, body life is of ACP paneling and aluminium thermal break profile is used. Hence there is no chance of rusting and decay of material. This increases lifetime of body of AHU. Ducted air handling unit is a bulky system which requires space for room of at least 10 into 10 feet size. This room could have otherwise profited of at least 2,000 rupees per day, which goes up to 7,30,000 per annum. In ductless air handling unit system, no special room is required, which allows us to save loss of 7,30,000 per annum. Calculating all the cost comparison regarding maintenance and usage between ducted air handling unit and ductless air handling unit system, we observed that total saving of approximately 12,66,396 rupees. So this makes ductless air handling unit as a best value product. Now let us discuss which system gives better indoor air quality. In ductless air handling unit system, we get class 1 near plenum HEPA, that is 1 to 10 particle count. In ducted air handling unit, we get class 2 near plenum HEPA, that is 10 to 100 particle count. In ductless air handling unit system, we get class 3 on OT table, that is 100 to 1000 particle count, and class 4 on OT table, that is 1000 to 10,000 in ducted air handling unit system. In ductless air handling unit system, we get class 4 anywhere in the OT room, and in ducted air handling unit system, we get class 5 anywhere in the OT room. This proves ductless air handling unit system gives 10 times better indoor air quality than ducted air handling unit system. We thank you for your time and attention. If you have any questions, you can mail us directly on